I've been working for American Airlines for 18 years. Before I became an AMT, I used to work right there in the tool room and stores. I'm always talking about aircrafts and the love of a plane. I see a plane taking off in the sky. I'm always looking, trying to see if it's a Boeing or it's an Airbus or if it's 330, 321. I was always fascinated of being a maintenance technician. The time wasn't available for me at the moment. I came from New York and I was able to pursue that when I moved to Charlotte. I had a good experience in AIM and I love all my teachers. They gave me the comfort because I was going to work and school at the same time, and that was a little hard on me, but I was able to pull through and they worked with me. They worked with me a lot. I always recommend AIM to anybody in Charlotte area. To me, my best part of the job is starting up the aircraft, checking to see if everything is good on the plane. Me being in maintenance now is the next change for me. I go on a plane and I'm just looking at stuff that I probably fixed. I'm very critical now. I'm looking and it feels really good to know that I make those planes fly and keep them safe in the air. I take that responsibility with a lot of pride. It's a good career. You gotta be passionate about planes and safety as well. You know, like you don't wanna just do it just for the money. You should have a kind of passion for the aircraft. But I will always welcome anybody if they're interested in aviation maintenance.